Hello guys, I'm just doing another YouTube video, and this time I'm going to be on Growtopia, and I'm going to be showing you something that I got out of seeds. Yeah, so basically all you really needed was orange stuff seed and a mega rock seed. The seed is on my world price helper, and I'm going to show you. And this guy just buying something for $10. Let's see if it's fake or real. Is it on here? Corner. Hello. So, yeah, the glitch is on price helper. Not glitch, seed is on price helper. And the seed is Snowmobile seed, yeah. So basically all you needed was orange stuff seed. I already had 5 of them. And a mega rock seed that I got from the store. Got a rare seed pack, which is, where's that one? It is. I'll be getting them because once I got a ruby seed, which I was so excited. So yeah, that's a Snowmobile seed. I will be doing a video in a couple of days of me harvesting this seed. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye.